I think the Institute of Imagination is imaginative, fun, and it makes me feel energized.
It's very fun, exciting, and it helps you to do stuff that you can experience in the future.
I think the Institute of Imagination is fun, something to look forward to, and very creative.
My favourite workshop would be the stop motion animation because we got to try different things and different ideas, and through that my creativity is shown.
I think the Institute of Imagination is imaginative, creative, and something you would enjoy.
One of the things that I want to do in the future, it involves creating things. So I want to be an engineer.
In whatever I'm doing, I think I'll always use my imagination.
When I grow up, I would like to be maybe an inventor or an animator to create new figures or models.